Hi guys, welcome back to the Art of Home Cooking. Today I'm going to prepare Schzewan Paneer Maggi. Hi everyone. So today I'm going to prepare Schzewan Paneer Maggi. So for that what we have to do is I will use refined oil for this. Just this much of refined oil. And let the oil gets properly heated up. Then I will say you the next procedure. So our oil is properly heated up. And now I'm gonna put this chopped onion into this. It's a very simple Maggi, so it is very easy to make and very yummy to have, guys. So our onion is slightly turning light brown in color. We will wait for 1 to 2 minutes. So guys, as you can see, our onion is turning light brown in color. So at this point of time, I'm gonna put this chopped paneer pieces into this. I have cut it into a very small piece. I'm gonna put this and then mix this properly. And here I'm going to put just a pinch of salt because I'm using mayonnaise and Schzewan sauce for that. So your salt quantity should be low because the mayonnaise and Schzewan sauce contains salt in it. So you have to be careful in the salt quantity. So we'll just toast it. Just stir it and just wait for the onion and paneer to turn a little bit light brown in color. Then I will say the next step. Here the twist is that I'm going to put chopped ginger into this. And just make a space and just fry a bit and we'll toast it. And just mix this thing. Here what happens, if you put this ginger at this point of time, it will give you that real flavor of ginger and it is very yum, guys. This recipe is totally apt for the people or the viewers of mine who are spice lover, means who wants to have a little bit spice in every dishes. So it'll be yum, guys. So I'm gonna fry a bit. We'll just wait for 1 to 2 minutes. So as you can see, guys, our paneer has turned brown in color, and now I'm going to put that yummy ingredients. Here I have the Schzewan sauce. This is a ready-made Schzewan sauce which is easily available in any grocery store. So I'm going to put near about 1.5 tablespoons of Schzewan sauce into this, and we'll just mix it. And now into this I'm going to put this boiled Maggi. What I'm going to do is I will put this last ingredients. It's a mixed herb. It contains basil leaf, chili flakes, oregano, everything. So you can avail this in grocery store. So I'm going to put near about 1.5 teaspoon of this mixed herbs, and will again give a good mix. So our Schzewan Paneer Maggi is ready. So I will just serve this with a little bit of Schzewan sauce and it will be yummy, guys. So I will let you see after plating. So our Schzewan Paneer Maggi is ready to serve. As you can see how spicy it is looking. I've just put a little bit of Schzewan sauce over the top of the Maggi, and you can try this recipe. It's very easy, guys. And if you like this recipe of mine, then please don't forget to like, share this to your friends, family members, everyone if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to come with another new recipe. So till then, take care. Bye bye, guys.